The novel coronavirus is rapidly spreading globally and has already caused more than 258,000 deaths, and as much as 3.6 million people have been tested positive for the same. With each passing day, these numbers keep on escalating. Although countries across the globe are under complete lockdown as a measure to contain the spread of this life-threatening virus, the flattening of the curve is yet to be seen. The United States and Italy are two of the worst hit nations, in spite of being equipped with the most sophisticated healthcare systems in the world. With this easily spreading deadly virus, which is already overwhelming the healthcare system of most countries, the world has joined hands to find a vaccine which is the most effective way of putting a pause on the spread of the virus. Scientists and medical researchers across the globe are scrambling for the first breakthrough. While multiple research groups are working at neck-break speed for the same, Italian scientists have claimed to have developed a vaccine that can help contain the novel coronavirus that causes COVID-19. According to a report, the new vaccine is likely to work on the SARS-CoV-2 virus that has been rapidly spreading worldwide. Tests conducted on mice showed that the vaccine has antibodies that can work on human cells, blocking the virus from infecting people. The team of researchers further observed that the 5 vaccine candidates generated a large number of antibodies and selected 2 with best results. The breakthrough development made by the researchers at Lazzaro Spallanzani National Institute for Infectious Diseases in Rome could be among the most visible progress amongst hundreds of experimental vaccines being tested across the world in the hunt for a cure for COVID-19. Luigi Orsicio, CEO of Takis, the firm which is developing the medication, has stated that the human tests are expected to begin after this summer. Earlier, Israeli Defense Minister Naftali Bennett announced that the country had a remarkable breakthrough in the development of COVID-19 vaccine. He said that Israel's Institute of Biological Research has developed a monoclonal neutralizing antibody which will effectively neutralize the novel coronavirus in the body of the carriers. Bennett also said that further development can only be made after obtaining requisite approvals from regulatory agencies for therapeutic use in patients after sharing the results of human clinical trials. Israel's ambassador to India, Ron Malka, on Wednesday said that the processes are not finalized and that they are willing to share the know-how of the vaccine with the world. As per the World Health Organization, there are currently 8 COVID-19 vaccines which have entered the human trial phase. In the USA, 2 pharmaceutical companies have partnered together and have started the clinical trials of their BNT162 vaccine program. Both the companies are working on 4 RNA vaccine candidates and they injected 12 healthy adults with the mRNA vaccine. In an RNA vaccine, the RNA enters the human cells and tells the cells how to build a spike protein of the coronavirus without getting sick. Once the antigen is recognized by the body, it develops protective antibodies. In a world surrounded by uncertainty, negativity, and failing hope, the news about 2 nations, Israel and Italy, finding a possible vaccine is a ray of hope we all have been searching for. Effective or not is a matter of future introspection. But for now, faith on science is what will keep us afloat for survivability.